In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to enhance your course materials, in this case a PowerPoint file, with audio. Audio can be used over the top of a slide for explanation of a point, or to provide feedback. You can attach audio if a student submits a PowerPoint as a project or as a presentation. You could add audio onto their presentation and send it back to them. So in this case, how to add audio, you would need to go to the insert menu, and at the very end of the ribbon under media is the audio, and on the drop down menu there you have the choices of online audio, which is you can search the Microsoft website for audio. If you have audio that if you've already recorded audio, or you have audio on your computer, you can add it there using this option, add audio on my PC, or you can just record audio. So in this case, I'm going to demonstrate how to record audio. You select the record audio option. You can name this. In this case, I'm just going to call this procedures audio, and then hit the record button. There are many procedures that can be done to identify cancer in the human body. Radiographic procedures like x-rays, maximum intensity projections, and others can be used to identify cancer. Surgery can be used to identify cancer. If there's been a biopsy done, you can use cytology, is the study of cells under a microscope. Cancer can often be diagnosed by having pathologists look at their audio or at the slides. And then endoscopy, which is a tube that can be inserted into the body with a camera on the end to identify colon cancers and other cancers. Nuclear medicine procedures and laboratory tests are also used to diagnose cancer. So then once you're done, you can hit stop and then OK. And then a little icon shows up over the top of your slide, and you can move that anywhere you want on the slide, and you can preview it right here, or you can also view it in presentation mode. In this case, I think I talked a little bit at the end of that audio, so I'm going to go ahead and trim the audio, and you can do that by going up at the top under audio tools and playback. There is an option, again, you can listen to the audio or trim it, and so let's go ahead and play that. I can pull the playhead all the way back to the beginning. I can trim a little bit of the audio silence at the beginning. And then at the end as well. So I drag all the way to the end, hit play. So yeah, I talked a little bit there at the end, so let's play it again. So I'm just going to drag that back to I pause it where I want to stop it, drag that radio head right where I want it, and once you're happy with that, you hit it. Drag that back. Alright, so then you hit OK, and then now you can preview that in presentation mode. see how that works. So when you drag over that, you'll see the playhead. You also have the audio or volume. You can turn down if the audio is too loud or too louder if it's too not loud enough. And then if you can also add audio from your PC. So in this case, I'm going to delete that file and go back to the insert menu, audio on my PC. And in this case, I've already recorded some audio for slide 10, and I just select that. This is a wave. You could have recorded audio using the free Audacity application, and then you save it as a WAV file, and then you select that file and insert, and it shows up just like the one that we just recorded. You move that wherever you'd like on the slide, just so that it's obvious, and then again, preview it in presentation mode, and then when you hover over that, you get through playhead.
The identification of cancer doctors using a variety of diagnostic procedures.
So in this case, if it was too loud, if you think the audio was too loud, you can also go to the playback menu and adjust the volume. In this case, it's on at high, medium, or low. You can also adjust the audio. So let's try it at medium, or actually let's try it at low so it's an obvious difference. And then let's go back to presentation mode, and let's go ahead and play that audio. So then we can, if we're happy with that, then just save the file and add it to begin to add audio to your other slides. You can also, if you're going to use audio, you should probably provide notes or a transcript of your audio. One way to do that would be to insert notes or a script in your notes area, and then you can save your slides out as either print them out for handouts or attach or save them as a PDF. You can do that by going to the print menu and making sure you choose the notes pages, and then you can save the files out. In this case, I'm going to send this to OneNote, save it as a file. You could also save as a PDF. So if you select the print menu and just go all files, I'm just going to save that here to the desktop. And then what you can see would be something, if you saved it as a PowerPoint, what you'll see is something, or as a PDF file. This will open in just a second. Then that way you could provide your PowerPoint with a transcript so that they can see what's being read to them. A couple example of some of the slides with notes. So just to review, audio can be used for enhancing your PowerPoint presentations. It can also be used if you have want to provide feedback for procedure, or if you want to provide feedback to your students for certain projects, you could add audio to their PowerPoint presentation and then send it back to them. Rename the file and send it back to them. And that's it for audio enhancing PowerPoint.